So the goal of the NSF-funded project titled Multi-Scale Modeling and Biomechanical Analysis of Animal Cells is to develop a deeper understanding of mechanical properties of live cells. It is well known that mechanical interactions play a very important role in the life cycle of a cell. Knowing how mechanical properties change as a result of different diseases will help future diagnostics as well as treatment efforts. Our interdisciplinary team of faculty members from biology, chemistry, and mechanical engineering is working on modeling and experimentation at different length scales from molecular to continuum. We are all very excited to work on this project, and we're happy to get to work with the local community to share our excitement and get New Mexico middle school, high school students interested in science. As one of our outreach efforts, we organized a hands-on workshop where students get to learn about the basic mechanical properties such as elasticity, viscoelasticity, plasticity, stiffness, and strength. The workshop was an amazing experience for everybody involved. We will continue offering the workshop in the future and hope to get many more participants interested in science and our project.